Welcome back to Allan Rebuild, and today we have the Genesis, the silver one. There's the door with the mirror. I get it from the junkyard. Not dent, clean door. Just need to change the color. We get the rocker panel molding complete, the same color. Rocker panel molding, rocker panel molding. We get the wheel. We get the spring. Everything nice. We get a complete spindle with the caliper, the struts, and the arms complete. Very cheap. See, complete spindle with the control arm, everything. The lower control and the top control arm, everything complete spindle. Very cheap. We get the wheel, the back wheel, because this one is bent. Very bent and good. You get the tire look good, tire look good. You get everything. So by Monday, this car we're going to chat to repair. By Monday, we will start fixing this car. And remember, this is the giveaway car for the channel. 50,000 subscribers, I want to give away this car. Fully modified. I put some mods on it. So please subscribe to the channel, because this is one with the giveaway car for free. 50,000 subscribers, I want to give this car away in the channel. Welcome back to Allan Rebuild, and today we have the Genesis, the silver one, almost done. We're doing the body work, and I give another week to finish it. Everything come out nice, body work, everything is coming out. Let's check it out. We change the door, we repair the fender, take out the dent on the fender, the left fender, put the bundle, put down the door and the mirror, and we do the quarter panel, we do the body work, come out nice, the body work come out nice, the bundle, everything come out nice. Everything, all this area was damaged. We take it out, coming along very good, the body work. So figure by this weekend we finish it, the painting and the body work. And remember, this one with the giveaway car. I want to give away this car for free in my channel when I reach the 50,000 subscribers. So anybody want to win this car, that is subscribe to my channel. And when I get to the 50,000 subscribers, I want to give away the car. I want to give it away for free in my channel when I reach 50,000 subscribers. So if you want to get this car for free, subscribe to my channel. Everything coming out good. The body work, everything. The door come out nice. This door fit everything, fit good. Nice. Everything, the crease, everything line up good. The whole door and the quarter panel, everything line up. So when they paint the whole left side. All of this side, when I paint the bumper, the rear bumper, and all the left side when I paint it. And buff the whole car. So it's coming out good. Everything we're gonna paint. I got to order the right side for lamp. So yes, everything nice. And this car only got like 69,000 miles, this car. It's a 2011 Hyundai Genesis Turbo. So this car is coming along. So yes. Remember, this suspension was damaged, and I changed the old left suspension, the rear suspension on the left. I changed it completely, and I put a new rim and tire. I used one from the junkyard. So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, comment, and remember, This car I wanna give away free in my channel when I reach 50,000 subscribers. So if you wanna get this car, subscribe to my channel. Peace.